Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in today's session, let us pick out the hard words from the lesson and we'll note down in the classwork. All of you open your class books, children. Open your classworks. Write date and write down Lesson 12, Tinu Saves the Lion. Lesson 12. Tinu saves the lion. First bit, hard words. In hard words, first one, Tinu, T-E-E-N-U, Tinu. Second one, road, R-O-A-R-E-D, road. Third one, sorry, S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. Fourth one, angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Fifth one, scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Sixth one, funny, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Seventh one, thanked, T-H-A-N-K-E-D, thanked. Eighth hard word is caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Ninth one, sharp, S-H-A-R-P, sharp. And the last 10th one is welcome, W-E-L-C-O-M-E, welcome. These are the 10 hard words, children. Now let us read the hard words. First one, T-E-E-N-U, Tinu. Second one, R-O-A-R-E-D, road. Third one, S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. Fourth one, angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. And fifth word is scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Sixth one, funny, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Seventh one, thanked, T-H-A-N-K-E-D, thanked. Eighth one, caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Ninth one, sharp, S-H-A-R-P, sharp. And the last 10th one, welcome, W-E-L-C-O-M-E, welcome. Next second bit, answer these questions. Second bit, answer these questions. In this, the first question is, where did Tinu live? Where did Tinu live? So where did Tinu live? Tinu lived in a jungle. That is in a forest. Write the answer. Tinu, T-E-E-N-U, Tinu lived, L-I-V-E-D, lived in a forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Tinu lived in a forest. Next, second question. Why was the lion angry? Why was the lion angry? The lion angry. So why was the lion angry? Because Tinu woke up the lion. Write the answer. The T-H-E, the L-I-O-N, lion. W-A-S was A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because Tinu, T-E-E-N-U, Tinu had, H-A-D, had woken, W-O-K-E-N, woken him, H-I-M, him up, U-P, up. The answer is the lion was angry because Tinu had woken him up. Next, third question, children. So here the third question is, how did Tinu cut the net? How did Tinu cut the net? The net. How did Tinu cut the net? With his sharp teeth. Write the answer. Tinu, T-E-E-N-U, Tinu, C-U-T, cut, T-H-E, the, N-E-T, net, cut the net with his, W-I-T-H, with I-S is sharp, S-H-A-R-P, sharp, teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Here the answer is Tinu cut the net with his sharp teeth. Okay, children, that is about lesson 12. Tinu saves the lion. Now with this we have completed all the bits of this lesson. Now coming to today's homework, children, learn and write lesson 12 adverbs as well as question and answers in your classwork. Okay, children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.